Pentecostal Network Penet Program Clear Tute Lalpai Swahmingin Chibaivek Ule Tunkar Chunga Northeast India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar Clearin Nilawngai Thang U February ni somni patni Zirtopni Khan North Mizoram District Kanghmun Bial Chunga Kohhran Upale Bial Shwai Tuten General Headquarters Office Kloin Hun an Mang Kanghmun Bial Upate hi Bial to Pastor Lalrot ki mafan ai chuan hovin General Headquarters Office Thoktu Tenen Hun Man Ho ani a General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo General Secretary Reverend R Larin Sangale General Treasurer Reverend Zohming Thanzameten General Huapa Kohhran rawngbawlna le malakna report chang pe in Kanghmun Bial Pastor le Bial Shwai tu te po in Kohhran mun poimo an tlo chan le Bial chunga rawngbawlna na an tho dan report an pe a General Headquarters Office tan mun phia thanem tak an pe bok General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo chuan Kanghmun Bial ten anei tu chanchanga Kohhran Office lo na chang anon ria chu lom om ati thu asoya General Shwai tu borle Office thoktu te ta chau anilawa India marchak Kohhran hote ta ani ti sia thar atul zia soin General Shwai tu te Office thoktu te po hitwal chung Kohhran ta vek kan ni a Kohhran kan activities shang te kan thilpek zong po kan loina twal chung Kohhran theu alut veka twal chung Kohhran ta kan ni chu wang chuan General hitu ta big ma ni lovin kan zawai ta ni ti kan sia tharle atulani ati General Headquarters hi intinei tu taka twal chung le bial shang te po in rondlo zel turin asoma Shwai tu le thoktu te po na sazo ka tong tai pui chin turin asom ngal bok Kanghmun Bial Kohhran upate hian General Headquarters Office baka North Mizoram District Office le Aizawl East District Office te Aizawl khopui le achevel hmun poimo shang an tlo kwal ngal bok April ni som bakhata tangani som pali chung hian Northeast India UPC Kohhran in khom puilian General Conference voisom nga pakhatna Churachandpura nei anidona Conference na turatan hian Churachandpur District po ain bwa saina sato hlea Conference thupuyatan hian thiang hlimna ti hmantur ni in Conference program tlangpui po duan lok ani to a tlangtin le maltina Kohhran hote atam thayang berkal turin in bwa sayang u General Shwai tu the program ngai thak chunjomila General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo chuan February ni somni pariata tanga March ni thum chunga North Mizoram District Conference Durtlang MC Hall ane mek chu telpuin thusoi rawngbawlna aneyang General Secretary Reverend R Larin Sanga chuan February ni somni pariata tanga March ni thum chunga Chandel District Conference Rungchang huna nei mek manpuin rawngbawlna anei General Treasurer Reverend Zohming Thanzama chuan February ni somni pariata tanga March ni thum chunga Lunglei District Conference Lunglei ra sivenga nei mek manpuin rawngbawlna anei General Missions Director Reverend Arlel Hoy chuan March ni thum pathiani zan hian zema bok veng pui Kohhran hun mangin thusoi rawngbawlna aneyang General Sunday School Director Reverend R Lai Chingpui chuan February ni somni pariat atanga March ni thum chunga North Mizoram District Conference Durtlang MC Hall ane mek chu ahmanpui District shang rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thak chunjomila North Mizoram District Conference vaisomruk pakwana chu February ni somni pariat ninga zan khan Durtlang Multipurpose Community Hall a tan ani Conference a hian thupuyatan nangmal somna niang je Genesis bungsom pani chang ni man ni in thupui chen shang chen om khoveng tan le khotlanga boral te chan chuak turin thiang hlimna a zirtirna dika tharau rawngbawlna ti le Kohhran tan ti te chu rawngbawl tura ruat General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga Konpui Bial Pastor Reverend C Laram Thanga Evangelist Laram Thara Sailo Thenzole Upa Arlen mangai zola bong content ansoi ani North Mizoram District Conference Voiceomruk Pakwana hi Atanzan February ni somni pariat ninga zan Khan General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai Lau Chuan Pathian hne na hlanin North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Laltuangan Inkhom akai shwai Conference Rorel Inkhom hi merge nikhat zirtom ni atanin Chungmalama District Kaushan Puile Department Baka Committee Poimo Shangshanga Changte in report ngai thak ani a Chonhulama District Sunday School Department le District LED ten Rorel na annei bok Conference report bu achanga alandanin hetiang hi North Mizoram District din huntlang pui ani Kaushan din nazat khoza somruk pariat Kaushan in omzat sanga zariat somkwa pali biak in dingzat za somruk pakwa kumsang ni som pariat Kaushan member zongjong zat singni sangruk zali som panga Pol dang changa lawlu zat zaruk som pasari member boral zat za som kwa pasari kumsang ni som pariata tharau thiang hlim dong thar zat zali som nga panga tharau dong to zongjong zat singkhat sangkhat zali som nga pakwa kumsang ni som pariat chunga I swang minga in nei thar zat za som nga pasari Kaushan ding thar zat pasari preaching point nei thar zat pariat Preaching point nei zat somni pariat license nei zongjong zat zahni som diakon upa zongjong zat zanga som nga March ni inrinia rorel nei chunjom ni in district conference agenda som pali nei zinga rongbawlna be pui thakte thianglim na be pui thak kalai chunjom zeltele constitution khoi ngai Thilte Relin report Kim Chang Karle Lamati Chwatum ani North Mizoram District hi Northeast India Unit Chunga District Upaberni in Bial Somthum a Oma Bial Vong Pastor Somni Pakwa Omin District Puipa Pathum Superintendent Secretary le Treasurer Baka District Missions Director le Delhi Chaplain Delhi Deputation na Omnen North Mizoram District Chunga hian pastor somthum pali rongbol lai an om ani conference hi pathiani zan hian achia kang Bairabi Bialten an Bial Chunga Kaushan ding thar kanan thara biak in sain work camp an nei biak in sakna hi kumin February thalai hola changa tanin thathar March tha hi chuan zo anin beise Kanan thara hian North Mizoram District chuan rongbol tu evangelist ramnun sanga aizol chaltlang veng chu roin rongbol tu rongbawlna kaltlang hian lalpan mithar thanem tak Kaushan hote ape a tundin huna member za som pathum anom mek ani North Mizoram District in Kanan tharbiak in saknana asum rohman cheng noi khat singa mangin tuna hian Bairabi Bial Kaushan hoten thei top chu in biak in sakna an thok meka March tha hian sakzo thei anin beise ani February ni som pathiani chhnu inkhom ban khan reng dil Bial chunga department chang shwai tu chuan shipho biak ina intwai tharna retreat an nei retreat a hian resource person a Bial to pastor silal thengliana an manga Bial OB intwai tharna huna kalten an hlok pui hle ani February ni somni pathum inrin ni khan unau palal biang nunga te chung sumsui chuan pathian hne na lom thu soin speaker a evangelist Zoram Thara district Ramtlan an roi pathian hne na lom thu soi program hi February ni somni pani zirtop zana tanga tanin Kaushan te an hlim hle a sumsui Kaushan ten rongbol tu te rongbawlna an hlok puin Kaushan impum khatna acha in rongbawlna konga na satakin chakna thar an nei Sialsuk Bial LED te chuan Bial Conference kumsom ngana Golden Jubilee Conference an lom Conference Golden Jubilee hi February ni somni pani atanga ni somni pali khan Bial headquarters Sialsuk biak ina mangin Bial to pastor lalram thanga kolni chuan Jubilee lungphun ahonga Golden Jubilee Conference District IO Ahman Puitu District Secretary Reverend Charpuyan Souvenir Tlangzarna anei bok Conference Golden Jubilee hi North Mizoram District LED shwai tu pani District LED President Unaunu PC Laro Moi Bible Woman le LED Treasurer Unaunu Kelaro Kimiten an man pui bok Conference thupuya nu te mo phurna ti mangin Speaker atan Reverend Charpuya District Secretary Sialsuk Bial to Pastor Laram Thanga Kolni le District LED President Unaunu PC Laro Moi te man anni Sialsuk bial LED conference jubilee hi ruai na manni in February ni somni pathum inrin nia ruai che ani conference nei chung hian lengkhom zai inti siak na te nei ani baka kaushan tin in LED zai pol an nei boka nakum conference hi chamringa nei le tur ani district shrai to the program February ni somni pasari nilai ni khan district shrai to te pathum district superintendent Reverend Laltuanga District Secretary Reverend Thiarpuyale Treasurer Reverend Kelal Dusanga de chuan Kolasib dia Konbial Pastoral Quarters Sakthar honna program ankal February ni somni pariata tanga March ni thum thleng o an North Mizoram District Conference voisom rukpakwana durtlang MC Hall aneya hun an mangbok February ni somni pariat ninga zana tangkhan lunglei District Conference voisom nga pali na chura siveng local UPC back ina chan ani conference tupuya tan hian pathian na tho puite kan ni korin thon khat bungthum chang kwa chuman ani a District Superintendent Reverend Arl Rosanga chuan pathian hena hlanin ahong conference hi General Treasurer Reverend Zonghming Thanzamale Aizol East District Superintendent Reverend Rosanga Kolni te chuan an man puibok February ni somni pariat ninga zan khan unau lularam lomi ba sailo Bible Women District LED President chuan inkhom akai shwaya District Sunday School Director Evangelist F Lalmangaya chuan zirtirna a ti thupui mangin thusoi rawngbawlna aneya Headquarters BLPYD Zaipol Pukpui BLPYD Zaipol le District PYD Choir 10 an Zaibok March ni khadzir top ni chuma dar som khan District Sunday School le LED te chuan twang takin rorel na an nei ani March ni khadzir top zan inkhom chu District Superintendent Reverend R la Rosanga na kai shwaya Pukpui bel to Pastor Reverend PC ngagle na chuan tharau rawngbawlna a ti thupui mangin thu cha puan chhuana anei vele a Bazar local PYD Zaipol Venglun local PYD Zaipol le Ra siveng BLPYD Zaipol ten zain rawngbawlna an nei le bok March ni inrin ni khan kaushan pui rorel inkhom nei ani March ni inrin ni zan khan Reverend Silarin tuanga District Treasurer inkhom akai shwaya General Treasurer Reverend Zonghming Thanzama chuan kaushan enkol na a ti thupui mangin thu cha asoya Kikon local PYD Zaipol le College Veng local PYD Zaipol ten zain rawngbawlna an nei bok Merge ni thum pathian inkhom program hetiang hi ani Chairman Reverend R la Rosanga Speaker Reverend Zonghming Thanzama General Treasurer Thupui thilpek rawngbawlna a Zaipol Pukpui bial Luangmual bial District PYD Choir Ni thum thathum sangni sompakwa pathian ni chonu inkhom Chairman Reverend Sila Shiatpuya Speaker Reverend Rosanga Kolni Aizol East District Superintendent Zaipol Bazar Local Luangmual bial College Veng Local Nithum thathum sangni sompakwa pathian ni zan inkhom Chairman Reverend C Vanlal Ena Speaker Reverend R la Rosanga Lunglei District Superintendent Thupui kaushan siam thaturin Zaipol Ra Siveng Local Ra Siveng bial District PYD Choir February ni somni patni atangani somni pali chung khan Pukpui bial PYD le Luangmual bial PYD te chuan bial conference lim takin an mang Pukpui bial te hian conference voisom thum pali na hi College Veng biak ina an manga Speaker atan chengpui Home Missionary Evangelist Simon Amar chu mangin Zai Thiam F lelshia chungi chuan zain rawngbawlna anei bok February ni somni pathum inrin ni khan rorel na an neya an rorel langsar zinga missionary pahni chomte kumin chunga bial sports meet neite sangni sompakwa District PYD Conference dol tu mual thuam cheng sanga achan puite kumin chunga Bible chhar chuak te lomman pek baka nakum sangni somni BLPYD Conference na munatan venglai local ni se ti anrel ani Luangmual bial ti hian vai sambiak ina bial conference voisom ni na hi an manga Speaker atan bolpui vi Home Missionary Evangelist Laro Khoma chu mangin anro rel langsar zinga missionary pakhat chomte sports meet come crusade sethun local nei baka kum khaddana bial conference ashanga nei to ni se ti anrel ani Krista thopui tu team te chuan January ni som basari atang khan lunglei district lungpui zol khwa ramud rawngbawlna nein hun an hmangtana rawngbawlna kisang sang an nei hnu in February ni som basari khan team deputy speaker evangelist Sirem Rot ki machuan mithar pakhat kaushana asengluta February ni som hnia lungpui zol kaushanin pathian hena lom thu soi choi moina hun an buat saya tharaulam revival na satakin athlenga rawngbawlna nei chunjom zel ni in February ni som hni pathum jana bel tu pastor Reverend PC Lalfak umachuan mithar chung ko khat member paruk senglut le in team speaker evangelist F Lelsang Luran mi pasari suangai damna baptisma achantir February ni som hni pakhat thole ni khan Aizawl East District Sunday School Executive Meeting voice som ruk pasari na director Reverend C Moizwala ka ishwain nei ani District Board voice som thu panhi na rorel pakhat na in Sunday School chonu zirlaibu athara siam ni se ati Executive Board kota ada angin zirlaibu jak turin Reverend C Moizwala director chu arwad ani hengba ka hian District Board in District Hwapin Sunday School sam in phwasya bot sai ni se ati angin hetiang hian ro manna an siam sam hi thumal zani ayatlem lo ni se loman pakhanna atanga pathumna siam ni se thelu hunatan September sang ni som pakwa ran ma ni se ti ani kumsang ni som pakwa Aizawl East District in kumsom ni panga atlinna a Silver Jubilee den thenin District Sunday School po in hetiang hian thil thon pe khlan ve ni se ti ani District Sunday School shwai tu lo ni to te hna memento rorel palai zongjong hna Jubilee pen le notebook District Kaushan try to nilai te hna memento pek ni se antibok ani February ni som hni pakhat ninga jan khan zemabok bel pastor quarters a Aizawl East District PYD OB meeting nei ani hehuni Reverend R Laltan kima president chuan akai shwaya anrorel langsar zwalte subcommittee charge in hlan hunatan merge niriat zirtop jandar sarile minute som panga ni seti ni in amhuna district office ni seti ani hemizan hian subcommittee te sumchu audit nei ngal ni se committee member to run nei ngal ni se thati ani bok subcommittee OB in charge hetiang hian siam ani kumpwana evangelist Silalem Ruata assistant secretary fundraising a unaupa kelal biagnunga financial secretary environment protection a evangelist F Malsom Tuanga secretary kumsang ni som pakwa atan hian obite bial insem ani president Reverend R Laltan kima bazar bial upper republic bial khohai bial rabung bial le swangpuilon bial vice president evangelist Silal Chuanga molpui bial khoru lian bial kholian bial serchip din thar bial le champhai bethel bial secretary evangelist F Malsom Tuanga bongkon bial kolkul bial darlon bial ngaupa bial baka nalan bial assistant secretary evangelist Silarem Rota Bethlehem bial North Van Lai Phai bial Zongmun bial Khozol bial le Saitwal bial treasurer Unaupa Arvan Lalpeka Trumpui bial Keifang bial East Lungdar bial Serchip bial le Khobung bial financial secretary Unaupa Kelal biak nunga Zemabok bial Thingsul Thia bial Sakordai bial Champhai bial le Chingchip bial hengba ka hian district conference manzo tak chu thlir le na nei ni in bial shang shang ten thei top an chhuana a lom om an ti in champhai bethel bel kaushan mi pui ba ka bethel khotlang mi pui te chunga district PYD chuan lom thu asoi tak meu ani me ni som puruk atanga ni som paku chunga Chennai hmuna Joshua Youth Camp mantura General PYD 10 Pentecostal choir le OB te kaltura anti angin akaldan turle chuldangte enpuim February ni somni paruk thole zankhan Pentecostal choir lazirna hmuna district PYD OB te hian meeting anne puibok ani February ni somni panhi zirtop ni khan kanghmun bial North Mizoram district te chuan Aizawl East district office lo in hunlim om takman ani kanghmun bial te hi Reverend Rosanga Koldi district superintendent chuan lo dongsongin an pualin hun toy man ani he huna hian office staff in melchia tirna le office kalphung le tuldangte uparo daila wazote office head assistant ne na tringin ngai thak ani a kangmunbel tu pastor ne na tringin office antlo chan le in melchia tirna ngai thak ani ba ka office manatan munphia anhlan ngal bok ani Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary Chuan Kangmunbel ten Aizol East District Office antlo na lom thu soin Chanhem ngai taka rawngbawlna kalpui zel turin fuina thu asoya hun top tong traina amanga thingpui le ahme tui hnai takil honghal ani February ni somni panni atangani somni pali chung khan khobung bial de chuan bial in khompui voisom nga pasari na bial headquarters khobunga hlim takin an mang in khompui hizir top jan khan tan ni in rini ni leng khan ro rel in khom an neya khobung bial ten in khompui an mana hian kaushan pui chau ni lovin bial chunga department changchang te pu in khompui hi an manghala bial shwai tu ten in khom kai shwai na thokin pathian ni chuma in khom ma khan Sunday school department te chuan item ti shangshang mangin in ti siang na an nei ba ka evangelist lelbiang mo na hne na tregin pathian thu cha ngai thak ani a pathian ni chnuwa khan bel tu pastor HP ram phangzawa kai shwain lelpa janri sakramen kaushan hauten kil hauna nein pathian tharau thiang hlim ompuina hnuai lim takin hun an mang ani pathian ni zan in khoma khan reverend vanlel filaram tiam district treasurer chuan thu cha soina nein loman chi shangshang an sembok ani khobung bial thiam bel headquarters biak in sakna an tho mek chu tuna hian zo thokat ani to a hunrem chang ma sabera hon tura ro manna siamni in kumsang ni somparia district kaushampui conference report atanga alandanin bial chunga hian local paruk buang khwangleng leithum dungtlang samthang le khobung te anomek ani February ni somni pali pathiani zan khan champhai bial karot kaushana mithar pakhat kaushana senglu ani champhai bial north khobunga po February ni sompali khan mithar panni kaushana senglu anlo ni to bok champhai bethel bial zo khothara po chung ko khat member paruk omna chu senglu anni bok zo khothara hian evangelist lel amena full time evangelist chuan rawngbawlna anei mek ani district try to the program Reverend Rosanga Kolni District Superintendent Chuan Lunglei District 10 in Khompui an man meka telpuin pathiani chunu hian thu soi rawngbawlna anei don ani Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary Chuan champhai Bethel Belten rawngbawl tu te pawal seminar March nithum pathiani Zion lokala an man tura resource persona tangin rawngbawlna anei mek ani Reverend Vanel Filaram Tiam District Treasurer Chuan Pathiani hian District Missions Tirin Bongkon Bial Ramhlun Veng Thara Missionary Support Zongin rawngbawlna aneyang Reverend Arlian Zama District Missions Director Chuan Kolkul Biala Pathiani Manghian Missionary Support Zongin rawngbawlna aneyanga Missions Secretary Evangelist Leramzavan Rabung Biala Support Zongin rawngbawlna anei bokang Ole khatizong khatun tumatana North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak hole theite ni e